this demonstration, you will learn how to create a general ledger budget manually. So in our demonstration company, you can see that there are already 2 general ledger budgets for expenses. But as an example, we will create a new one for sales. So you just need to enter the name, and we will be creating one for the year 2025 sales. Now you see that you already have the 2 global dimensions available per default for each general ledger budget that you create, but you can add up to 4 additional dimensions to your budget. So in a total you can have 6 different dimensions attached to one budget. Now let me add one dimension that we have created earlier, one for activity, so that we can record a budget for each activity within our company. Now, how do we edit the budget? First of all, we click on Edit Budget, and you will receive a new page where you can view and also enter your budget entries. On the General Fast tab, you will have your budget name, and you will also have the opportunity on how you want to display your budget. Let me broaden that up a little bit. There we go. So you could easily change what you want to see as lines and as columns, but we will come back to that later. You can also choose how you want to enter your budget on a monthly basis, daily, weekly, quarterly, yearly, and per accounting period. For our demonstration purposes, we will leave this at a monthly basis. You can also enter rounding factors and show column name instead of numbers or codes. Also important is that we call this a sales budget, so the only general ledger accounts that are important are the ones from sales, and we do not need all of the other general ledger accounts in our budget, at least not visible. So on the Filters Fast tab, you can add a GL account filter on the GL account numbers, but you can also filter out your GL accounts on a category base. So let's for instance take here our income GL accounts. As you can see, you now have limited GL accounts available as lines. Now we said that we were going to enter a budget for 2025, but you also see here a date filter which is still set to the year 2024, which also displays in the columns. So I would want to add adjust my date filter as well to 2025, which will immediately change your columns. You can see in the names now that it is the correct year. If you want to add a budget, that is very simple. You can select just the correct GL account for which you want to add a budget in combination with the period in which you want to enter the budget. Select the field and enter the amount that you would like. By entering this, you will have created a general ledger budget, which you can view by clicking here on the drill down button. There we go. So every time that you add an amount to your GL budget, a new GL budget entry will be created. However, as you can see, currently there are no dimensions attached to this amount, which of course is also something that we would like to do, and I will explain this to you in the next demonstration.